Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Sparkr Mini, and this is like a little lighter plus flashlight combo. Now, I saw this, okay. Oh, pardon me. I saw this on Amazon and I had to check it out. The Sparkr people sent me one of their Zippo lighter inserts to look at, and I thought it was kind of neat, and I did a video on it, but I saw this, and they didn't send me one. They didn't send me this one, but I saw it and was curious, so I ordered it from Amazon. It runs like 15 bucks, so anyway, if it's interesting, hopefully it'll be worth 15 bucks at least. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this thing out. So, I always forget these things are rechargeable. I don't know why, but it's like the insert was rechargeable too. Okay. Are you not satisfied with this product? Blah, blah, blah. Bunch of words. Are you happy with this purchase? Please review us. Okay. That's a bunch of words. Anyway. Let's see. Quick reference manual. Plasma lighter, lighter button, flashlight button. Okay, so the recharging ports are on the bottom, and the flashlight's on the bottom, and all kinds of words. Y'all can, if you want to pause that and read it, you can do that. And how to use a flashlight. So, let's see. It's a 25 lumen flashlight. It weighs 1.4 ounces. And etc. etc. Alright. That was the not fun part. So let's play with this thing and take a look. So it sort of has a Zippo lighter kind of format. Like, you know, it's not the same size as a Zippo lighter. So, oh, okay, that was bright. So you triple click it. Maybe I should have read some directions. Alright, how to use a flashlight. Click the flashlight button 3 times to activate the flashlight. To turn off the flashlight, simply click it again. Well, we kind of figured it out. So that's the recharging port. Right there. And for the flashlight, I'm assuming the triple click thing is because you don't want it to get clicked in your pocket. So let's peel this stuff off and let us try out the lighter part. I'm assuming it's very similar to the insert. It's probably the same, really. And I mean, like, the insert seemed like it created fire. Alright, so. That's kind of weird. Okay. Can y'all see the little electricity stuff? Arcing in there? Yeah, neat looking, I guess. One thing I thought was interesting. Watch the USB port. Lights up. I don't know. It's kind of an interesting thing. I don't know. I feel like it has pieces that work, but I don't know if it's... I mean, okay. Let's see. It has an interesting look to it. I mean, like, it kind of has a sort of not a bad look. It's the cover's plastic. This is plastic. That's plastic. I'm thinking I'm not supposed to pull it out. Yeah, okay. There's a screw right there. I bet if I wanted to take it out, I could unscrew it and take it out from the little plastic case. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. I mean, I don't know. What do y'all think? I'm kind of on the fence on this one. I think it's kind of funny to have a flashlight built into a lighter, but when you have a lighter like this one that doesn't actually really make much light, it sort of makes more sense. I don't know. Interesting. Yeah, it was only like 15 bucks. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Interesting or just weird? I'm still a little tripped out by the whole idea of a rechargeable lighter. Anyway, if y'all have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and hope y'all have an excellent day.